Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold XAUUSD on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames to see how we might possibly trade gold, we'll take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames, and I'll be starting with a pivot analysis on the daily time frame. We have the daily time frame here, and I have the resistance one at 2347. I have my pivot line at 2331, while support one is at 2310. Price for the daily time frame opened below the pivot. The pivot is at 2331. Price opened below the pivot point. Price opened at 2327, and right now price is at 2340, approaching the first resistance, which is 2347. So we have just 70 pips before price touches the first resistance. But there's also, apart from the pivot analysis which says price might likely get to first resistance, there's also another important factor to note, which is price has been ranging for the past 9 days, 9 trading days. The range started around here. As the price rose up to this point, dropped to this point, and price is oscillating. That is, there's some level of a balance between buyers and sellers within this particular region. Talking about this particular region, price has been ranging, so we want to wait for range breakout. Okay, the top of the range on the daily time frame, the top of the range is at let's see, 2363, while the bottom of the range is around 2314 or 15 thereabout. So I want to wait for a breakout either to the top. Might see a possible breakout to the top. All right, we might see price breaking out to the top, then to some extent then dropping, more like clearing the stop losses at the top of the range before dropping. All right, that's a possibility. We might also see price dropping at this point to clear the stop losses below the range before going to the top. So those are the two likely possibilities that we might see, but that will be, it's time that will tell where a price might likely go, which direction price might likely go. So that's that for pivot analysis on the daily time frame. Let's quickly take a look at what's been happening on the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame remains bullish. With the look of things, we might see price going back up. The bulls have reasons to push price back up to the all-time high, and then we might see price getting some sellers supply zone and then dropping. Those are the two possibilities: either price goes up or price drops. But that's that for the monthly time frame. It's bullish. On the weekly time frame, what we have, weekly time frame, we might possibly see the development of head and shoulder pattern. I see the development of head and shoulder pattern where price forms the right shoulder. We already have the left shoulder. This is the head. Looking at this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, we might see price developing the right shoulder, and the price might possibly drop to this particular order block level price might drop to this order block area. All right, on the weekly time frame. It's just a possibility. Another possibility is the fact that instead of forming the right shoulder, price could just continue to give us more like a tree drive pattern, where we have the left shoulder, we have the head, and then we have a right shoulder that is even more higher than the head. All right, and the price could possibly drop, not much drop, but drop to an extent before continuing up. All right, because the overall direction is still bullish. We might be expecting another shoulder pattern, like I said earlier, and price might just decide to not go up anymore and start dropping. All right, but in all this, we have buyers lined up around here at this other block. That's the 2169 level on the weekly time frame. We also have buyers lined up around here at this other block. That's 2030 level. We also have some buyers around here. That's 1961, and then we have some buyers around this point and this point, which is 1852 level. But the overall direction on the weekly time frame remains bullish. Let's look at the daily time frame one more time. We started with the daily time frame. You can see price has already formed the left shoulder on the daily time frame. This is our left shoulder. On the daily time frame, it's much more visible that this can be taken as our head, as the head of the head and shoulder pattern, and we might possibly see the development of the right shoulder around here. It's just a speculation. The speculation, it might happen, it might not. One thing that we'll need to wait for is the break of the neckline. The neckline could be formed around here, where we have price dropping to this area and then going up to form the right shoulder and possibly dropping to break this particular neckline. That's a possibility. Another possibility is this could be our neckline. This could be our neckline. All right, where price, at this particular point goes up. All right, and breaks the neckline. Okay, so if this is our neckline, we might see a break at this point and the price might start dropping. But if price drops, it needs to break these particular points. All right, which is the low. It needs to break this low. So that's that for the analysis on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it's more clearer that price is currently ranging. We have price ranging. We have this channel. We have a channel in place. So price buyers might find resistance around here. Okay. In as much as price is ranging, when I want to see a break around this point, if there is a break around that point, that does not end, it does not end there. If there's a break around this point, it doesn't end there. Price might need to break the nearest high, which is at this level. All right, but if price is unable to break this point, price needs to if price is unable to break this point, price might drop to the bottom of the channel. Price might possibly drop to the bottom of the channel to find buyers, and that is in confluence with this particular order block. Okay, with this particular order block, price might find buyers and possibly go up. And if price drop this to this low, I'm talking about the 2300 psychological level. If price drops to that level, price might pick buyers and start to go up. But that's that for the 4-hour time frame. So buyers will buy around here for now on the 4-hour time frame. Buyers will buy around that point. Buyers will buy around here. Let me okay, buyers will buy around here, the low of the range. I'm talking about the 2321 area, while sellers will sell around here. Sellers will sell around here at the 2351 area for now. A break above the 2351, we have another layer. We have another layer around here. That's the 2360. So price might continue to range for some time before the price of gold gets some impetus and either rockets to the top or falls. That's that for the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame also shows, just like the 4-hour time frame, shows price is ranging. This looks like price formed a W around here. We have like two double bottoms, like a double bottom around here. So if price is able to get to this point, this particular order block, we have sellers lined up at the 234647 area. If price is able to break that order block and we have a double bottom, a full double bottom, our price might likely replay what happened here, where price drops, okay, and then we start to see price going up to replay what happened on the left side of the chart. But for now, the direction looks bearish. For now, as far as the range on the 1-hour time frame is concerned, the direction looks bearish, where we have a high, lower high, lower high. This might be a lower high. Okay. We also have here, around here we have a higher, a lower. This is a lower low. This is a low. This is a lower low. But this low, this particular low, is not as low as its previous low. Okay, so this is a higher low, lower high, higher low. So whatever happens, we might see the development of a triangle. We might see a triangle playing out. Okay. But whatever happens, we expect a breakout somewhere for price to find direction. But for now, price is ranging on the 1-hour time frame. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes time frame. For now, on the 30 minutes time frame, the buyers were able to pick up some orders at this particular order block. Price has picked up orders around here and price has been going up. This resistance broken, so the next possible area is the 2347, where we have the order block. All right, and as price progresses on the 30 minutes time frame, we have some other blocks lined up that might serve as support to price. Buyers are lined up here. Buyers are lined up here to pick price, for price to continue to go up. But for now on the 30 minutes time frame is bullish. So you might want to look for buying opportunities, places where when you buy, you can place your stop loss. You can place your stop loss around here, 2335. You can place your stop loss around here, 2325, if you are buying. But for now, it looks as if price is going up. And your target, your take profit could be somewhere around here, 2347. That is if you are buying. Because in a ranging situation, we have buyers buying low. Buyers buying low, buy low around this point. Okay. And sellers will sell high, sell at the high point. So once you buy up to this point for now, you might want to consider selling. And if you are trying to sell at the high point, you might want to place your stop loss above that point. So let's take, for instance, you sell at this order block. I'm talking about this particular order block, 2347. Your stop loss might be 2355 or 56 for you to target the low. For you to target the order block at the low, which is around 2319. So that's that for the 30 minutes time frame. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes time frame if we can pick up one thing or the other. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, it looks as if sellers are coming in with the formation of this evening star pattern, candlestick pattern. Sellers are trying to come in, buyers are getting tired. But this price drop and then met resistance here and then drop. Now we have a break of that resistance. It might become a support. So price might likely find support at this resistance area. Support in the sense that price might drop to this particular area and start to go up until it gets to this particular order block. The order block, I'm talking about the 234847 order block. Also, in line with this particular resistance turn that might possibly turn to support, we have this order block around here. So this order block is in confluence with this resistance on the 15 minutes time frame. So price might find support. We might see some level of support around here, as in buyers might be lined up around here. Now, if this is the particular level, I'm talking about the 236 level, if it breaks, we might see buyers picking price around this point at the 2332 level. Another order block is at the 2327, where buyers might be lined up to ensure price continues to go up to the top of the range. So we might see price also testing this level to continue to the top, range top. And we might see price testing this level to continue to the range top. Alright, that's that for the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame shows that we have a top in place. Sellers are trying to come in. Buyers have been having a good run, and sellers are trying to come in. But on the 5 minutes time frame, we have this particular point as the first order block where buyers can come in. I'm talking about the 2337 level. We also have another level at 2336 where buyers might likely come in on the 5 minutes time frame. Another level is the 2334. Buyers might likely come in at that point. Another level is the 2331. On the 5 minutes time frame, buyers might likely come in. We also have another level 2330 on the 5 minutes time frame, and we also have another level 2327. So buyers are lined up. In as much as price continues to go up, buyers leave like a junction or a node where others buyers might join in and continue to push price up. So that's that for the 5 minutes time frame, and that's that for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, why don't you go ahead and push the like button. Click the like button. If you are a current subscriber, we say big thank you to you for supporting the channel. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you smash the subscribe button? Drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. We have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit our website to learn more on how to trade gold. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.